Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. I have recently purchased this incredible professional cleaning tool, and basically it's for automotive detailing. In this very quick video I would like to show you what you can expect when you buy this unit, right? So it will be quick unboxing, and using it will come a little bit later when I will be detailing one of the cars. So let's go see what is in the box. I just got it out. Oh yeah, one-handed doesn't work, huh? My goodness. Alright, here we go. And this is how it comes. I never opened it before, this is my first time. So here are the instructions, apparently, right? Here is the cap. Here is the, I believe that's a pressure valve. You can regulate, right? Regulator. This is the ending which I will be replacing because this is industrial. I'm using automotive, but this is in this pouch. And let's focus what is the next. All right. And that's basically it, if I'm correct. Once again, let's look in the box. Completely empty, right? This unit is extremely expensive. It's like 170 bucks, right? And it's obviously not because the materials, but because the patent which they have on it. This is the improved version with the ball bearing inside. So the black edition should last longer than the previous basic models. Right, here I will be connecting, right, that pressure valve, regulating valve, and my own adapter. There was that rattle from this bottle, right, which is for that cleaning solution, and that was this ball. So there weren't any additional parts, it was just this. So here you go, this is unboxing, what you get when you purchase this tool. And stay tuned, I will definitely make video how to use it and what are advantages of this. Thanks for watching, have a great day.